Graves' body was sealed inside the tomb, but he may have still been alive. You see, he should have decomposed, but as his body sat for 6 days before the funeral, some say it stayed perfectly preserved. Now, at the time, people thought this meant he was a god, but today, some scientists think he became totally paralyzed before they pronounced him dead, meaning he might not have been dead at all. Instead, he could have suffocated in his tomb, or been cut open and had his organs removed as they embalmed him. He was pulled into the dryer and trapped inside. Now, this was an industrial dryer, and the man had been clearing the conveyor belt that fed clothes into the machine. But when he climbed on to reach the blockage, he got caught up in the clothes, and there was no one there to help him. Temperature soared over 300 degrees, and 20 minutes later, co-workers found his dead body. Slice the pickles into long strips and pour sugar straight into the pickle jar. Then add in 2 packets of Kool-Aid, turning the juice bright red. Stir until the sugar and powder fully dissolve, then place the pickles back into the jar and put the lid on. Over time, the pickles will absorb the sugary Kool-Aid, and just a few days later, you'll have Kool-Aid flavored pickles.